welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to get into some of the information that you're going to need to know when it's come to moving from the public to the private. Now, if you come across this channel, we go into certain and prevalent details in regard to taking control of your estate, your trust, and your name. So if you're interested in knowing how to take control of your estate, your trust, take control of your affairs, and move out of the corporate structure, then this is for you. What we're going to go into this book that I present for you, what they call come into details when they talk about take control of your affairs. One Way Out of Corporate Slavery, Edition 1, Volume 1. Now, there's many volumes to this. We're going to get into this called These Stuff Got Layers. But if you're not interested in knowing any more information of taking control of your situation, your name, dealing with the related effect into the system, then please proceed to move on to the next video and continue watching what you was previously watching. Because what we're going to go into is moving from the public to private. And this book is more like for those that dumb, blind, and stupid to the law. I mean, you're naive to the law when it comes to tax, estate, and trust. This is just the order copy. So we get into that when we're dealing with the public to private. We want you to move from the public to the private. We want you to understand. So, all right, reserve, and then we're going to move to that. So what we're going to the nature, what's the nature of the book? For number one, you want to move out of the corporate metastructure, if you know the history of the which is moving out of corporate slavery. You want to be financially free. How you going to move out of that? Read a disclaimer when time to get into that. Table of content, it cover how to take control of your name, etc. Dealing with a trust, how you going to set up your trust. We already start about starting your own barcode system, getting your barcode ledger, etc. Your private email, all of this go into this. You have to understand tax and U.S. tax law, dealing with the Hague and non-Hague. So if you're interested in learning more information, stopping these guru from breadcrumbs you, then this is the video for you. But if you're not interested and you want to be breadcrumbs by the guru when they give you bits and pieces, then please proceed to the next video that you was previously watching. Because what we're going into for you to set up your stuff appropriately without have to go to someone every time, and then sometimes things change and now you're confused. So we deal with dealing with silver, copper, etc. When it comes to putting it on the record, your birth certificate, how you deal with a birth certificate, common law, copyright, and your name, newspaper, and all of that include power of attorney, etc. So if you want to get more detail and break it down, how to go about these things, do your tax filing, the paperwork, then this is for you. Because we get into this book of when we're dealing with all kind of paperwork, tax filing, dealing with certain things that you need to deal with when it comes to laws and jurisdiction. And if you want to talk about the kind of paperwork you must file, then we're going to get into the kind of paperwork you must file, how to do your filings, etc., where to go to do your filing, etc., dealing with all kind of stuff. So this is the book for you if you're interested in knowing more information about how to go ahead and get yourself out of the corporate slavery and go into a structure where you understand the law. This is for moving from the public into the private atmosphere for those that is dumb, blind, and stupid to the law when it comes to tax, estate, and trust. One Way Out of Corporate Slavery is a step-by-step method to live a successful life in the private. You want to be in the private by overcome the obstacle and challenge of the strong man effect. It also known as the birth certificate name spelled in all cap, which is the fictitious corporate name, to live an abundant life by using these simple methods to get out of the corporate status of the United States corporation and to re-enter the Indigenous American Indian status, which was always the American Indigenous origin prior to American invasion. And you see that seal, we give you a way out to get your seal going. So if you're interested in knowing more, then this is the book for you. Follow the link follow the link, like this video, and go ahead and get your copy today. You're going to find it that you can move on your own without the need of a guru involved. You might find this book on Amazon, and we're going to make it related on much other topic include right here. So go ahead, get your copy today. You're going to find that you're going on the road to understand that these things is step. You have the full copy. You can leave this to generation, and be able to understand what you did to get where you go, because we're going down that rabbit hole in order for you to be financial free. If you find this video that you like, go ahead and follow, subscribe, and then share. We're going to move on to the next prevalent information that we need to move on to, and we're going to show you what we're going to get in volume 1 so you can move forward and have all that you need, so no one will stop you in the track, slow you down, breadcrumbs you again. So if you found this video and liked it, thank you for stopping by. We're going to move on to the next prevalent information is on our path and on our journey, and we wish you all the best. Make sure you pick up a copy, and y'all have a beautiful day.